Okay, moving on to question 5, 5a. We have 3x equals to 7. They want us to identify the steps that are needed to isolate the variable. In order to isolate the variable, we need to divide both sides by 3. Because 3x over 3 is just 1x, or just x. Normally we don't write out the 1. So we can say x equals to 7 over 3. So the answer here is divide both sides by 3. Five B. X divided by 3 equals to 7. So over is the same as dividing in math. So in order to isolate x or solve for x, what we can do is we can multiply 3 on both sides. So x over 3 times 3 is just x. The 3 get crossed out because 3 is the same as 3 over 1, right? So when you simplify, you can divide the 3 by 1 to get 1, divide this 3 by 1 to get 1. That's why they cross this out. So we would get x equals to 7 times 3 is 21. So this time we want to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. So whatever you do on one side, you must do the same thing on the other side. When I'm timesing the left-hand side by 3, I must do the same thing to the right-hand side. So this is how we do it without using the algebra tiles. Same idea here. When I'm dividing the left side by 3, I must also divide the right-hand side by 3. Just to make sure that the equation is balanced. Both of the equation by 3. Five C. We have 2 over 3x equals to 7. So this time, when we try to solve for x or isolate x, we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this coefficient, which is 3 over 2. You can see these two 3's get crossed out, these two also get crossed out. And we will get x equals to 21 over 2. So this time we want to multiply both sides of the equation by 3 over 2. 5D, 3.2x equals to 7. To solve for x, or isolate the variable x, we can just divide both sides by 3.2. So x equals to 7 over 3.2, whatever that is. So this time we want to divide both sides of the equation by 3.2. And that's it for question 5. I'll see you in question 6.